Hi, first graders. So right now you should have chosen your topic or your project that you want to work on for your SJTU project. And I know you've already watched a video earlier this week about how to choose your topic. There's 3 choices and you need to choose one. So if you chose the one on messages of hope and gratitude, and this project will be involve making sidewalk chalk messages. If that was the project that you chose, then you are watching the right video. Okay, so this project is messages of hope and gratitude. And gratitude means being grateful or being thankful for someone or something. Okay, so we're gonna, in this project, what you're gonna be writing using sidewalk chalk, you're gonna be writing a message on your sidewalk, either a message of hope, like uplifting someone, a positive message, or a message where you're thanking someone. Okay, so before we go any further, let's talk about our learning targets. So just like in school, when we have our learning targets on the board and we read them over and talk about them, we're going to do the same thing here. So the first target is, I can identify the main idea and key details of a text. So later on this week, you're going to be reading a book. You're going to be listening to a book read to you. And while you're reading that book, you're going to think about the main idea. What is this book mostly about? And then you're going to be thinking about some of the details that are in that book. Now here's another learning target. I can use correct spelling, punctuation, and capitalization in my sidewalk chalk message. So when you write your message with your sidewalk chalk on your sidewalk, you're going to have to make sure that you do your best spelling, just like in school, that you have punctuation at the end. So you probably have a period or maybe an exclamation point at the end of your message. And you have to make sure that you capitalize the first word of the sentence or other really important words like the word I in your message. So just like when you do writing in school, you're going to think about your spelling and punctuation and capitalization when you write your sidewalk chalk message. Okay, so our STARS targets are, I can advocate for community helpers by writing messages of gratitude. So you're going to be reading a book about community helpers, and one part of this project is to be writing a message that shows gratitude, thanking them. So for example, you can write a message to thank your mail carrier or a message to thank nurses and doctors. So you're advocating for those people because you're showing that you appreciate and have gratitude for what they're doing for us. Another target is, I can advocate for my neighbors by writing messages of hope. So maybe your neighbors are feeling, kind of sad because they might miss their classmates in school, or they might be worried if someone in their family is sick. So you might write a message on your sidewalk that makes them feel happier. Okay, so that's advocating for your neighbors by making them feel better. Okay, so this project is going to be over several weeks. So the first week, you have this part of the project. And this is due this Friday, May 8th. Okay, so you have the rest of the week to work on this. And let me read you the directions. It says, click on the blue link to listen to the book, Not All Heroes Wear Capes. Then share with a family member. So what you're going to do is, see this right here? It's in blue. So you're going to click on this and then click right below it on the title. And the book should open up. And I believe it is Miss Sid reading this book to us. Then you're going to click the middle where it says play.
Not All Heroes Wear Capes.
Okay.
By Jennifer Moore Malinos and Gustavo Mazzali.
Okay. So I'm going to pause it right here. So you're just going to listen to that book and think about what the book is about. Think about the details. Think about what happens in the book. And then when you are done with the book, you're going to come back here and you're going to talk to someone at your house about what it means when someone says, not all heroes wear capes. So you might not know what that means right now, but after you read the book, I think you'll have a better idea of what that means. Not all heroes wear capes. So what's great about recorded books is you could listen to this twice. So you might listen to it one time and then listen to it a second time to understand it even better. And then you can talk to a family member about the book. Okay? So that's what you're going to do this week. Is you and a family member are going to listen to this book together and then talk about what does it mean by not all heroes wear capes. And that's going to be the first part of our project. Okay, so that's all for today. And I will explain to you the next part within another video next week. Okay, so enjoy this book and we'll see you again next time.